How to fix subscribe button not working on your Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like subscribe button missing on your Instagram account or not working. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to make sure that you have updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. So to confirm that, you'll have to just open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. So after you're in this hospital, you'll have to type for Instagram. Okay, so from here you can easily know that if any updates are available for your Instagram app. So from here you can update to your latest version on Instagram. So after you made from here, you'll have to just back from here and open the device settings. So simply open the settings. Now from here scroll down and go the option apps. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and find the app Instagram. Okay, so after you find the Instagram app, you'll have to just open it. And now from the app info of Instagram, you'll have to scroll down and go the option like storage. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to tap on this clear data option just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So after you tap on that, you'll got a pop-up message like to confirm. So simply from there, you'll have to tap on OK. And after you made from there, you'll have to just back from here and open your Instagram app. Alright, so after you open Instagram app with your logged in account, you will got such interface. So from here, to turn on the subscribe feature, make sure you have turn on the professional mode on your Instagram account. So for that, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here, tap on three lines just at the top right corner of the screen. And now from the setting and activity, you'll have to type in the source field for professional. So simply type it. Okay, so after you type the professional, you will got options like switch to professional accounts. So right now I have already make my Instagram account to professional. So here I got the options like add new professional account. So in your case, it might be available with switch to your professional account. So simply you have to tap on that. And now from here, you have to follow the procedure ahead to switch your account to professionals. So from there, your problem might be solved now. So if you are still facing that problem, your problem might be occurred due to your region concern. So in some regions or countries, these features may not work properly. So this was the process. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.